Sala.
Wait lang. Ako po si Kari Cruz. Intern ako sa Department of Agriculture.
Tapos,
Pagtutusan lang ako ng boss ko. May di-deliver tayo na seedlings and fertilizer. Kaya according to her daw, president ka dito.
ayop.
Head ka ng isang association. Correct. Ang purpose ko ng donation para raw magamit niyo sa community niyo.
Okay.
Wow. So, kami address, Sitio Mandarina, Tabon-Tabon, Leyte. Ito po yung proof. Kailangan nyo po i-affix yung signature nyo dito.
Okay.
Tapos, ay okay lang po. I-record mo yun. Isasabi ko po sa report.
Okay. Sige.
Kay hinihingi ng boss ko.
Okay.
Si Mrs. Zabala po. So, ngayon lang po kami nagka-time actually para mag-deliver.
Oo.
Kay after nito, pupunta na kami ng may
okay,
seminar. So, ngayon po, nasa sasakyan yung seedlings and fertilizer. Nasa box po yun. Pwede po pumunta kan kay para magpatulong na lang po kayo pagbuhat.
Okay.
Okay? Sige, ma'am. How many? Ano? Ito po yung ay, ano pa bukas?
May ganyan pala.
Must have been cold there in the shadow to never have seen the light away.
Surprise, ma'am! Prank lang po yun!
You were content to let me shine.
Dito tayo.
That's your way. You always was
Baka mo na di mo panlubog. Mga panlubog.
so I was the one
Love song.
Naka na yun naging post.
Disclaimer, yung name mentioned earlier is for prank purposes only. We are not in any way affiliated with any government organization.
Niwala naman ako kay added ka na hindi
yes.
can expect.
Yes.
Oray pa naka-order nga binhi.
So, it's a prank. Ngayon, meron tayong fresh roses. Wow! Sino kayo nagpa-surprise?
I know.
You know,
Oh,
you
she
have an
is.
idea. Wow.
Because we talked last night and this morning.
Okay, with Black Mom, we also have balloon standee. Of course, hindi mawawala sa isang celebration yung cake. As well, meron ka po drinks. You actually have wine and meron din pang ulam. Kakanin, pansit, carbonara. Pagsasaluhan nyo later. Also, may mga balloons tayo dito. So, musta ma'am? Ano na-feel mo ngayon?
Teary-eyed.
Patingin na siya.
Lasing pa ako, kaya mo naman kasunod namin.
So, may idea ka lang kung kanino galing. Okay. Sino man ma'am? Oh, Thailand. Sana all nakapunta lang sa Thailand.
Ito yung
Si ate,
Maris.
Si ate Maris.
Yay! Yay! So right now, ma'am, may babasahin ako na message from our sender. Dear Tita Ninang Helen, only few things were registered in my memory, but mommy informed me most of it. Tita, thank you for preparing my milk, changing my diapers, singing me a song, and carrying me when I was still a baby. You are a part of me, and I won't forget it until I grow old. I am praying that I will be successful after I finish my studies, so I could pay you back. Or maybe, I will also give you a Canadian boyfriend.
Wow!
Sorry, I'm just
Looking
kidding.
forward to it.
Tita Helen, I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon. I love and miss you. Stay safe and God bless. Happy birthday. Love, Senny.
Yes.
Another message. Isa pa pong message. Ate Helen, surprise! Sana ma-enjoy mo ini nga imo special day. Ngan gutiyay and simple surprise para ha imo. Ate, never-ending gratitude for all your help ha amon. There's no exact amount to pay for your priceless sacrifices nga nabuhat mo ha amon. Ikaw na ako naging nanay, nani, ate, sangkay, consultant, counselor, nansiring pa kanta. Oo, all-rounder. Naging wind beneath my wings. I won't forget it, and I'm not forgetting it. I have nothing more to ask for. You are one of my friends to be kept and treasured. Wish ko la imo, nga sana ada ka la pirmi, ha maupay nga panlawas, ngan safe ha, tanan nga oras. Wish ko gihapon, nga sana umabot na yung panahon, nga may upod ka namon pagbakasyon somewhere, nga all expenses paid. Cross fingers.
Thank you.
Happiest birthday, ate. May God bless you more. I love and miss
Biko daw
you.
nakpanyo ni Dabi. Ato dito
See
na
you
klikuran.
soon, Marie.
Thank you, baby.
Hindi pa siya nagtatapos na. May greeting. May gusto pa pong magpaabot ng greetings nila.
Bani nga ika-54 nga kaadlaw. Hope nga wish ko nga maging malipayon yung pagsilibrahin yung kaadlaw. Yan ang namasunod ng mga panahon. Tagang kapauntan yung malipayon nga hadawin nga kinabuhi, mabasto nga panlawas nga blessed one. Kay nagahatag kahing puso nga kalipay ha imo kapamilya, kapuso, kagalor, kadabarkads o mga kasangkayan ng kauplan. Utrohon ko, happy birthday, Te! See you!
Happy birthday, Miss Helen! Sorry, wala akong makapagbelo, but then aanhi ako to greet you. A happy birthday! Ngadwan amon mahiyong na sangkay. Anyway, waray pandemic na makakabalaong haamon pag-greet ha imuhin. Happy birthday! Miss Helen, may you have all the desires in life. May you have all the happiness in life. God bless you. And sana madamo pa nga mga birthdays. Magkikita-kita pa kita in person. Because yan ang mga panahon nagkikita-kita lahat kita. And we're always on the go. Terminal kita nagbibiyahe pag nagkikita. We never stop and chismisan. But then, okay lang kay may pandemic, sinisiri. But it's never an excuse for us to say happy birthday to you. God bless and stay healthy and stay sweet all the time.
Sa atin, una nga tanan, pero kung bumatay mo muna na happy birthday. Sana makilala mo pa ako, hindi ako. Pasensya ka na kung yun na lang ako nakabati happy birthday ni mo. Wish ko lahi mo good health and always safe. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Hindi ko pa kilala. Okay, Miss Annie.
Hello, Telen, Maris. Happy birthday to you. I wish you good health and happiness in life and more blessings to come. To Helen, I miss you. And to my beloved friends, Maris and Milet. Hope we can see each other someday. I miss you all, guys. I love you. Happy birthday again, Ate Helen. Alam mo naman, mahirap yung palaging nasa malayo, di ba? Someday, magkikita-kita rin tayo nila. Maris, Milet, sana bago magpasko, pero posible yata, baka next year, di ba?
God bless greetings from Mommy and I.
Thank you for everything, ate. So, ma'am, ano feel mo ngayon? Really very
Happy.
overwhelmed, no? They're all looking forward to see you. Panira lang talaga yung pandemic. So, ngayon, ma'am, any few words sa nagpa-surprise sa'yo and sa lahat na nagmamahal sa'yo? Ano masasabi
Na mga
mo?
salamat sa ira. Kay Maris. Kan Seni, ang lalo korek po ko kilala, sorry. Sorry kan Miss Malo, kan Ani. And siyempre kan Baby Sini. Thank you. Thank you, Haiyo.
Ma'am, make a wish. Yay! Happy 54th birthday, ma'am!
Thank you very much.
On behalf of Miss Tyson Mills, ma'am, we would like to thank Miss Marisa Lloyd for choosing our service. We appreciate your trust in us. And the fact that you've been supporting us since day one. We just started last January, the same year. To our celebrant for today, Ma'am Helen De Paz, we hope we made your day extra special.
So special. And so happy.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
May your 54th year be full of happiness, love, good health, and everything you want to achieve. Sana, we've been wishing for sana ma-achieve niyo po. And sana po, ipagpatuloy niyo yung advocacy niyo, di ba? Ayun na, thank you so much, ma'am. May have a productive day. Thank you po. Kaway-kaway tayo sa camera.
Thank you very much. Maris. Thank you, Dai.